Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a cute snail. Now, I think they're cute, but my partner doesn't, but I think that's because she likes gardening and they eat her plants. But let's have a go. So, I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw this side first, just a nice round circle, and then I can move to this side and I can see that one at the same time. So I'm just going to go around again like that. So they're similar size. Try, and then I'm going to do a blob, but I'm going to stop there. Same on this side, a bit of a blob. I'm going to stop there, and this is going to come in. I'm going to go under there, and I'm going to go round and in, and then there we go. There, at the top of the eyes. Now I'm going to draw part of the face. I'm going to go around here and across the eye. I'm just going to stop there. I've gone across the eye here because that one's at the back, whereas this one is at the front. So his nose is in front of that, so the line can go across there. I'm going to come down here and stop there. I'm going to go around here. I'm just going to stop there for a minute. If I go too fast, you pause the video and then you can catch up. So, need a little bit, I suppose this bit's like a bit of a sausage shape here. I'm going to draw that around there. I'm going to connect it to there. Okay, now the swirly bit. A little bit hard, but let's give it a go. So I'm going to get a nice steady hand. Just go slow. It's not easy to do a swirl. And all the way around. Connect to there. Now we want to do the outer shell. So I'm going to go all the way around and connect to that bit. I'm going to come down here. All the way around. And then connect to that little sausage shape bit there. Let me just bring that down a little bit more. That's his neck. And now a little bit of a tail. I'm not sure if it's a tail. What do you call that? There we go. Maybe make it a little bit wobbly so he's slithering along. And then I'm going to make him look scared, and I'm going to draw a line like that. And then we're going to go round and up like that, and then colour that in. There we go. And underneath, if you put a line like that, it looks like his lips quivering a little bit. His lips turned down. And then the eyes. So draw some biggish circles like that. There we go. And then I'm going to leave a little bit white there like that. Same on this side. And there we go. Oh, his nostrils. I thought there was something missing. It's that. His mouth a bit bigger. There we go. And there we go. We have a scaredy snail. Now, who says snails aren't cute? That is pretty cute. No? Can I convert the snail haters? No? Alright. So I would love to see your pictures. You'll find my details below. Thank you very much for watching. If you send me your pictures, I will put them on my Facebook page, and hope to see you next time.